Yes. Finally, I have some big news to share for you guys. It's really exciting. Let me just cut the crap and just show you right now. I have a kid. She's beautiful. Yeah, baby, I need you to move real quick. All right, I know, I'm excited too. Norgang. So finally something came in. Excuse my lime-ass green shirt, but we got something big here. So shout out to Njuku. I'll get into how they helped out and everything in a moment. But your boy finally got a single exit exhaust. After what, like fucking a month, or no, not even, after 6 months of complaining that I haven't been able to hear my car, now I'm finally gonna be able to rip it through the neighborhood, annoy my father-in-law, annoy my fiance, oh, my motherfucking neighbors. I'm gonna annoy every single one of you motherfuckers. I can't wait. And finally, bro. Finally, man. I'm so excited, bro. Let me get this all out and we'll continue. You ready, Naomi? Alright, Norgang, so let's get I guess a before and after clip of how it sounds, but it's a little unfair just because I took off the muffler on my car. Like the car, I don't even have tips already. So it's not the same, but you know, you guys get what I mean. Let's just film it anyway. So as you guys already know, like I said, I already took off the muffler, but now I'm gonna get this single exit, so I guess let's just talk about it real quick before I just slap it on. I went with the ISR single exit exhaust. Main reason being is because, one, it's incredibly cheap. Hate to use that word because when you say the word cheap, people just automatically assume it's shitty quality, but based off all the reviews and everything, for the price, this is one of the best and most recommended, well, at least single exit exhaust that you can get. The only thing cheaper than this would just be doing a muffler delete, but there's actually gains from running this anyway. From looking at it, I mean, honestly, from the welds and everything, it actually looks pretty damn good. The only defect I would say, mine kind of came with this weird dent here. I mean, it's not really a big deal to me. I mean, you know, that's probably something they should work on. They should probably add more padding on top, but whatever. It's like I said, it's going to be exposed to the elements anyway, so I'm not really too worried about it. Shout out to Njuku. They really helped me out. Everybody was great. Unfortunately, it was out of stock. It took about a month for it to even get here. Hence when I hit the 100 subs, because that's what it's all about. This was supposed to be the 100 sub reveal video. This was supposed to happen like 4 weeks ago, and it's just been a long wait. So Norgang, I'm sorry for making you guys be on pause for so long. I mean, all the good things, you know, it takes time. So let me not waste more of your time. Let's just get straight to this install. Hopefully Felipe will be able to help me out. If not, I'll just knock it out myself real quick. Alright, Norgang, so a little status update. Right now, I'm struggling hard as hell trying to get these rusted nuts off, but man, it's a headache because I have car in the air and everything. So right now I'm trying to make like a, well, my father-in-law is gonna help me make a at-home breaker bar. So I just need something to get the ratchet in, so that way I can just use all my Uga because boy, your boy is struggling trying to get these nuts off. So
that's what she said.
I just want to, I'm not gonna do a montage of me taking off parts and putting on the exhaust. I just want to get straight to when the exhaust is on and show you guys the clips. So after this, you guys will see and hear, you know, whatever. After this, it's just gonna be straight clips of sound clips and how it looks, and we'll move on from there.
One eternity later.
Oh my god, bro. Norgang, 3 hours later, we're done. Bro, I had this one nut that was just stuck. I couldn't get that nut off.
That's what she said.
My father-in-law had to help me. Even he struggled. So finally, we just cut the motherfucker off, hit the bolt out, put another one in, and we're done. Took super long, but Norgang, oh my god, bro. When I tell you like this, I'm in love, bro. Like, it looks kind of weird because it's not dual, but it's Norgang. So, all right, you guys ready? You guys ready? And boom. Single exit, baby. Oh my god, so nice. I love it. So fucking nice. I'm just obsessed. I don't know. I know a lot of people don't like the single exit on the Z's, but I'm in love, bro. So whatever, let's not waste no time. Let's get some sound clips. Woo! Ah, yes. It does sound a lot like the muffler delete, so like I said, I didn't have a comparison anymore about how it's gonna sound stock versus now, but I'm just so happy, man. Finally, I have an exhaust on my car. It sounds sick. I don't know, gang. I don't know. I'm just happy, man. And it's all thanks to you guys. You guys really helped motivate me and push me towards this. Also, I have to thank Injuku for all the help. Oh my god, my family for all the help, because honestly, like I said, I lived a broke life, so without my family, this wouldn't have even happened. So, bruh, oh my god. It just looks, oh, look at that fat booty. Oh my god. Alright, no gang, so look, a little quick, what I would say, to be honest, is that the muffler delete was definitely a lot louder. I'm gonna admit that. But the thing is, I didn't have a tip. I didn't have any exhaust tips, nothing. One thing I will say is that it sounds more, I guess defined is the better word. It just doesn't sound loud for nothing. So I personally like that a lot better, because the muffler delete was just loud at low RPMs and it didn't sound good in my opinion. Oh, okay, look, oh, hitting the UM game, damn. Look, in my opinion, if you're looking for an exhaust because this one is still resonated. I mean, I'm sure you can get a mid-pipe and, you know, it'll be a lot louder, shoot flames when you get test pipes, all that. But right now I still have my Cats resonated and, you know, stock headers, so it's not going to be as loud as it could be, but it's at a tone that I actually like a lot. One thing I will say about the ISR exhaust is that it sounds very nice. It's like sounds like an OEM plus kind of sound. If that's what you're going for, this is the exhaust for you. If not, don't do it. At least don't get it resonated. So if you take off the resonator, it's gonna sound whole light years better. But I mean, Norgang, to be honest, I can't get over how it looks. To me, it's just the look of it. You get me? It sounds what? Sounds really nice. It's not too loud, but it's not too quiet. It's literally what I was looking for. My neighbors aren't gonna actually kill me. I was eating crap, but whatever. But Norgang, so this is what I'm gonna do. And also it does have a little bit of a rattling noise, because one day when we were coming back from Palm Beach International Raceway, when we went over a railroad, me like an idiot, I didn't slow down and I hit the railroad track. So the cross member is actually bent up and it's hitting the exhaust, so it's making like this weird rattling noise. Oh yeah, I stole a Band-Aid from my daughter, so I got Princess Jasmine on my finger. Tomorrow I'm gonna go ahead and try and fix the problem with the rattling noise, because like I said, it's just the cross member actually hitting the exhaust by the resonator. After that, I mean, it should be perfect. But Norgang, if you're as happy as I am, smash that like button. Please subscribe, because we're going places. We're almost at 150 subs if we haven't hit it already. Wait, what the hell was that? Wait, is this a hoodie or a long sleeve? Or a long sleeve hoodie? Oh snap. So we're almost at 150 subs. We've really been killing it. We're almost there. But this was supposed to be the 100 sub celebration. We finally did it. We made it. We're going places. And yeah, so just keep following it. I am sweaty. I'm gross. Alright guys, Norgang, I'll see you guys next video.